To make personalized glasses, all you'll need is transparent glasses, masking tape, stencil, and a marker. Now paste masking tape on glass like so. Take your stencil and place it on your glass. Masking tape will help adjusting alphabets in straight line. Once you're satisfied, take metallic marker and draw an outline. Remove masking tape. Take second glass and repeat. Now fill in and outline the alphabets using thinnest brush dipped in Mod Podge. Sprinkle glitter and press gently. Dust off excess glitter after 8 hours. Now again take Mod Podge in a brush and apply an even layer on the glitter alphabets just to seal everything in. Let dry for 24 hours. These glasses are washable. And we are done!